So, buddy, how you do today?
Well, I get some gas and leave in the store in the city. And the play, man. What do you do now?
Nah, man, I'm cool. How you get bad with that? Just me. You took me $1,000 to airplane? Yeah, we rich.
I must think about it.
But no, come on, man. We gotta go to 70 that. I go ask him the pilot. Never strain over here.
Hey, ready to go. That's right in head. Oh! How I go somewhere? I go somewhere.
Captain, where's the pilot? Let me explain. To this, there's a whole globe checking planes to us, to Europeans. And into Israel, the plane went backwards. To a Korea or something. No, I said not. Who's trying to play?